In this video I am going to show you how to fix iTunes updating issue on PC or laptop. Okay, recently we can't update the iTunes software within the app. So here you can see the help has no update option. So what we can do? First you need to uninstall your iTunes. You just need to uninstall your iTunes app. Now we are going to download the new iTunes software. First way, Microsoft Store. You just need to open Microsoft Store and then just click here and just create a Outlook email. If you already have an Outlook email, you just log in with that email and download the iTunes software. If not, just create a new Outlook email. It's free. After you created a Outlook email, just sign in and then type iTunes. Now you can see the iTunes app. Here you just need to click the download, then it will be downloaded on your PC or laptop, just like that. Then second way, open Google Chrome and type iTunes for Windows. Then you can see this link under Apple support, iTunes for Windows 64-bit. Just open that and scroll down and just download this link, just like that. These are the only two ways you can update your iTunes in 2024. Before that we have a lot of options. For now, this is the ways. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.